Have you ever had a temporary chat in ChatGPT and wanted to convert it into a permanent one? Sort of the one which appears on your left side so that you can open it whenever you want, and it is in ChatGPT's memory, as in it is referenced whenever you talk to ChatGPT. Well, this is actually fairly simple to do. All you have to do is just copy paste the entire chat and paste it into a normal chat in ChatGPT and hit enter. And now this works because how ChatGPT handles conversations behind the scenes. So in front of me is basically a chat window where I'll talk to ChatGPT via its API. And if you don't know what an API is, you're not supposed to know it if you don't work in tech. So I'll basically be talking to ChatGPT. On the right side, you see a simple chat window. And on the left side, you see where the AI is actually being fed. And now this part really matters because once you see this, the copy paste trick makes complete sense. So here I'll just send it a hi. And on the left side, you can see that it first gets the system prompt and then my hi message. And it replies with this. Now when I send a second message, you can see that it is actually being fed the entire history of the conversation. My second message actually starts with a system prompt, then the user saying hi, then the assistant replying, and then my second message, which is subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now ChatGPT can't really do that, but you can. So please go ahead and press that button. And this is how the whole chat actually builds up. So once, let's say I have sent 10 messages and have had a whole conversation with it. When I send my 11th message, the 11th message is actually sent along the entire chat history. All the previous messages, replies, plus the new message. So in the very same way, when you copy your temporary chat and paste it into a normal ChatGPT chat, you're basically feeding it that entire chat history. And one very easy way to do this on a laptop is simply by pressing Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. If you do it this way, the chat is auto-fragmented into your messages and ChatGPT's messages, as you can see here. And now when you feed this into ChatGPT, it knows exactly what it's dealing with. You can just continue the chat and it will have the same context. It will give you almost the same replies as if you had continued in that temporary chat. Now you can use a similar trick to move chats between ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Grok or any other LLM, but there is just one small thing that you need to know, and I'll talk about that in my next video. So hit the subscribe button and check the description if the video has already been uploaded, and I'll see you in my next video. Good luck and bye for now. I'm recording this after I recorded the last part because I just realized something. A lot of you might already know this, but ChatGPT sort of has an image of you. And if you have preserved that image, as if you ask ChatGPT to describe yourself, it will say very good things like you're an amazing person, you can do so many things and blah blah blah. But if you want to ask him something vulnerable and personal and you're using temporary chats for that, instead of that you can just create a project and just click on the settings icon and just keep the memory project only. So whatever you talk about in this project, it will not go out, and your ChatGPT's original memory will stay intact. So now you don't even need to use temporary chats. But if you still want to use temporary chats and in case you want to make it permanent, you know how to do it.